Director of the San Diego Police Department Crime Lab, Jennifer Shen. Jen, I look at this and there is an absolute crime scene. Yes, you see the arson was part of all of this, and Maggie was burned alive. Horrific death. What can you learn from that scene? What clues do you think they could have gotten from that crime scene?
Well, arson scenes are tough. They're tough because many times you have an arson scene because someone is trying to get rid of evidence, and they're trying to make sure that there's nothing left behind to identify who the person might be. So in this case, you have to identify where the fire started and how did it start, and was it intentionally set? And when you have that evidence, which oftentimes you do with the help of a dog, if it's not obvious in the scene itself, then you're looking to see what kind of fluid might have been used, and were there gas cans left behind, and can you trace those gas cans down? Oftentimes you can still get DNA, sometimes fingerprints from partially burned items. So those are the things they're going to be looking for within the scene. As far as the hate crime, they must have come up with some interesting and very relevant information from either inside the house or from some sort of tips to classify this as a hate crime, I would think, because this is really one of the most terrifyingly horrible ways that someone could die. And I agree with her sisters. You wonder why someone would achieve this level of hate if it wasn't some sort of hate crime.